In this video, I'm going to show you how you can loop animation keyframes in DaVinci Resolve. So let's go in the Fusion page, and here I just I have a very simple composition. I have a background and this is the background, and this is the foreground. I'll just select the background. I'll add this very simple ball. You can always click here as well. Sorry, not this one. Here, click on expression. We can create this. Go to ball, change the color. So we have a very simple ball. All right. And if we go here to can move the ball, can go around here and click on width. Now move around here and move the ball down. I can also go from here. So now we have this simple animation. So we want to loop this animation. Okay, that's very slow. I just realized. No worries. We can simply here maybe. Anyways, it's fine if it's slow. So now to loop this animation, what we have to do is first to go to keyframes and click on this. So it will zoom in. Sorry, not keyframes, spline. And now click on here to zoom in. Make sure you select and click on here. And here we have displacement. And now what you have to do is just to select your keyframes, click on F and then T. Now we can add a ease in and ease out. Now select all your keyframes we created, and you can right click, and here we have set loop and ping pong, or you can just set loop and just loop wherever you want here. And now we have this loop animation. Very simple, obviously, but that's fine. And yeah. And now we have this very simple animation, looping animation. So yeah, I hope you found this short tutorial helpful. That's my intention with this DaVinci Resolve tutorials, just to give you solutions for problems you may encounter when you're learning DaVinci Resolve. I've encountered this problem myself, so I just want to share with you on this YouTube channel. I love creating tutorials, and especially I love learning stuff. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and leave your thoughts down below, and take care.